Hey there, iPhone users. Welcome to Eassiy Official. Today, we're tackling a common issue: resetting an iPhone without an iCloud password. Whether you've forgotten your Apple ID or bought a secondhand device, we've got you covered with multiple methods to get your iPhone back to factory settings. So let's begin. Can you reset iPhone without iCloud password? First things first, is it even possible to reset an iPhone without an iCloud password? The short answer is yes, but it depends on the method you use. Let's explore your options. How to reset iPhone without iCloud password or iTunes or computer. To reset your iPhone, first open the settings menu by tapping on the cogwheel icon. Then tap on General and scroll down to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, choose Erase All Content and Settings. Click Continue, then select Erase Now. Finally, enter your screen passcode to complete the process and clear everything from your iPhone. Best way to reset iPhone without iCloud password or iTunes. 100% working. Passixer is an iOS unlocking software that resets iPhones easily. Its Remove Apple ID feature lets you bypass iCloud passwords and find my iPhone, making it perfect for secondhand devices. It works with all iOS versions, removes old Apple IDs, and wipes passcodes, even on unresponsive screens. Go to the Passixer website and download the application. Install it on your computer. Launch the Passixer application. In the Passixer interface, select the option to remove Apple ID. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. The software will assist you throughout the process. Ensure that your iPhone remains connected during the whole operation. Passixer will eliminate the Apple ID and reset your iPhone. Once the procedure is finished, your iPhone will reboot and you can set it up as new without requiring the previous Apple ID. How to reset iPhone without iCloud password. You can reset your iPhone without the iCloud password using iTunes. If your computer doesn't recognize your device, don't worry. You can try a few solutions. For iPhone X and newer, including the iPhone SE, second generation, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8. Plus, just slide to power off and then press and hold the side button while you connect your phone to your computer. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down button and then connect it. If you have the first generation iPhone SE or an older model like the iPhone 6s, press and hold the home button while connecting. Once you're in recovery mode, use your computer to wrap things up by opening Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. When you see the option to restore and update, click that and make sure not to unplug your device during the process. After everything's done, if you have a backup, you can restore it. Your iPhone will restart and you'll see the hello screen when it's all set. Thanks for checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it.